Are you good? All right. What's up, guys? It's Mitch from Panda Motorworks. Today we're going to be installing this AFE Magnum Force cold air intake on our GLI. This intake is a direct fit for not only the GLI, but also the Golf GTI, Golf R, Audi A3, and the Audi S3. Not only are we going to see an increase in flow with this intake, but we're also going to clean up the engine bay with this beautiful mandrel-bent, wrinkle black coated intake. Let's get it on for install. There you have it. The AFE intake is now installed on our Jetta GLI. Now that we have that installed and our Mishimoto intercooler, now all that's left is to get it on the dyno and see what kind of power we can make. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Panda Motorworks. And if you're looking for performance parts for your car, check out pandamotorworks.com. Thanks for watching.